Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Healing Brush tool lets you correct slight imperfections in an image by blending them with the pixels in the surrounding image. This tool works in the same manner as the Clone Stamp tool. However, this tool will also match the texture, shading, and lighting of the sampled pixels to the source pixels so that the cloned pixels blend seamlessly into their new location. To use this tool, select the Healing Brush tool from the toolbox and the Tool Options bar, and set your desired options within the Tool Options bar. Next, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click the area that you want to use as the reference point for the pixels that you want to copy to another location. Then release the Alt key. Next, click and drag with the tool in the area to which you want to copy the pixels that you clicked. As you click and drag, you will copy the pixels from the selected area to the new area.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.